Good morning. As I said, it is time for some conclusions. This is where we got at the end of the last video. And then what I usually do is I leave a almost finished portrait overnight, and then I look at it in the morning with fresh eyes, and I usually put some finishing touches. So in this case you see that between this and what I now can say is the finished portrait, there aren't many differences. I've just improved on this headband, and you can see that I have changed the eyebrow just a bit and improved the shading on her cheeks. And other than that, I think I'm pretty pleased with it. It's not a masterpiece, but taking into account how awkward it was recording it and commenting on it, I'm pretty happy to call it a day with this bright-eyed and bushy-tailed edition of this channel. So, to talk about the plans, I've selected this new reference photo, and yesterday was my birthday, and today is the birthday of this friend of mine. And you can see I have selected this photograph of her posing with the portrait I drew of her last year. So you can see here, I really like this photo. It has a very sincere smile. However, in this case, she's not really wearing a lot of makeup, and I'm going to do my best to try to turn this into a flattering portrait that she will like. So I will make sure that it resembles her, just like you can see here, but I'm going to try to make it a portrait that she will really like. So I will basically make sure that all her features are well drawn, but then I will be probably enhancing it a bit, and this is what I hope that you might be interested in. So how to make a flattering portrait is the next topic on this channel. So today is her birthday, and I hope to get it done today, because tomorrow we'll be going out to celebrate our birthdays together. So see you in the next video very soon, and I hope you have enjoyed this journey through drawing this portrait of my daughter with me. And thank you for all the feedback, and I just hope that it will keep on coming. Bye bye for now.